In this video, we'll show you how you can track or find your stolen Windows laptop. So Windows laptops have a feature called Find My Device. You can open the settings app, go to privacy and security and go to Find My Device option. Now this option is enabled by default, so if you have lost your laptop, there is a good chance you can recover it or find it using the Find My Device feature. So for this you will need to open a web browser and search for Microsoft Find My Device. Now click on this first link, that is Find and Lock a Lost Windows Device. Now here you need to scroll down and then click on this accounts.microsoft.com/devices. Here you will need to sign in with the same Microsoft account that you are using on your Windows laptop. Once you have done that, simply go to this Devices tab on the left. Here you should see all the laptops connected to your Microsoft account. So as you can see, it is showing my current laptop. Now I can click on this Find My Device option and it will show the device's location on the map. So as you can see, it is showing the battery percentage, exact last location, and I can also find the device on the map using this button. I can even lock it remotely using this button. So this is how you can find your lost or stolen Windows laptop. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.